Everyone, this is Tim from Eject Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you've got no signal or a black screen on your Xbox Series X or S. If it's related to your TV or display options, you can reset all these just by doing this option that I'm going to show you right now. So let's go to my Xbox right now and hold down the Xbox button. And we're just going to hold this down until it turns off. Perfect. Or I'm just going to unplug this from the wall outlet. So I know it's actually turned off and it's not in like some sort of low power mode or sleep mode. So I just unplug it from the wall outlet so you know it's turned off. So here's my little power cable. And then I'm going to plug this back in. Now to launch this into the low res mode, hold down the eject button. Now if you don't got any eject button, just hold down the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You're going to hear that initial chime when it turns on, and then you're going to hear a second one about 10 to 15 seconds later, then let go. So mine's got the eject button, so I'm going to hold this down. And then I'm going to hold down the power button. So you should hear like a chime. I think I have those turned off so I don't hear it. But you should hear one about 10 to 15 seconds later. So once you hear that second chime, I'm going to let go. And then my Xbox is going to turn off. Press the power button. And then it's going to turn on. Now let's go up to top and you're going to see my Xbox is going to look a little bit different. It's going to be in a lower resolution. So here's the Xbox. It's going to be really fat and wide. And then there's going to be black screens or black bars on top and the bottom. So we know it's in the low resolution mode. So we can go back up the top now. Once our controller is turned on, go over to settings, go to general TV and videos, and then just go to resolution. We can change the resolution right here. I can back it up to 1440p or 4K. Now, if you got no signal, it was probably because the TV that you're using doesn't support the resolution you had selected. So you can see I got a 4K TV. Okay, so I can go up to 4K. But what if my TV didn't support 1440p? Maybe that was the issue. So just lower it to like maybe 1080p at first. And then you can decide after looking at the information for your TV if this resolution will work. So there is no option for like automatic. So you might be running into this issue a lot more than you do on your PlayStation 5 or something like that. So just go to 4K TV details and see if you got the correct resolution with your TV. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.